Welcome back to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and this week we're going to be making a Thai green curry. This is one of the most popular dishes in Thailand, and if you go to a Thai restaurant, one of the dishes you will definitely see on the menu. I'm going to show you how to make this at home. It's super simple and incredibly tasty. Definitely one of my favourite Thai curries. So this week we are going to be having some butternut squash, some diced carrot, some yellow pepper, some broccoli, some diced tofu. We have a Thai green curry paste. We recommend getting a good Thai brand, not one of the pastes you would find on the supermarket shelves. We have a tin of good quality coconut milk, and to our finished sauce we're going to add some palm sugar and a little salt, and we're going to use some red chilies to decorate. So that's it. The ingredients are super simple. We're going to jump over to the hob and get cooking. So to start off, we're just going to add a little oil to our pan. And as soon as this is warm, we're going to add our Thai green curry paste. So you just want to heat your curry paste in the oil for a while, just to bring out the flavours of the spices. You'll be able to tell when the spices are excited, and you'll definitely be able to smell the difference. As soon as they're ready, we'll add the coconut milk. So with the oil heated and the spices releasing their flavour, we're going to add our coconut milk to the pan. And then just mix the spices into the milk. Because we've got a really good quality brand of coconut milk that's quite thick, I'm just going to add in half a can of water just to make it go a little bit further, because we're going to cook this for about 4 people. Okay, we're just going to bring our coconut milk and spices up to a simmer. First off, we're going to add our butternut squash and our sliced carrots. These are fairly hard vegetables. We're going to give them a 5-minute head start on the others. We're just going to soften them up a little bit before we add everything else. Our veggies have been in for about 5 minutes. Now we're just going to add the other vegetables. So our broccoli, there we go. A little bit of yellow pepper, and our diced tofu. There we go. So we're just going to let this simmer for another 5 minutes, and we're going to check to see if the vegetables are soft enough, and if not, we can just give it a bit longer. While our veg is just cooking, we're going to add in our salt. So we're just going to crack a teaspoon of salt over the top there. I'm going to add a little bit of palm sugar. Just put a couple of these little chunks in. Add about a teaspoon more as well. And then you want to just, when it's melted in, when the palm sugar's melted in, you just want to try your sauce and then just balance out the sweet and the salt, just to get it exactly how you like it. There's no real rule for that. So our Thai green curry is cooked and ready to serve. Now, traditionally, if you've eaten in a Thai restaurant, you'll notice your rice comes on a plate and your curry comes in a bowl. So we're going to serve up exactly how it would come if you were buying this in a restaurant. So we get a good dose of our veggies in here. Some broccoli and that broccoli. Some peppers. There we go, that looks good. I'm going to add some decoration to our curry, a couple of bits of nice red chilli, and I'm going to decorate our rice with some mint we took out of our garden this morning. And there we go, one delicious Thai green curry ready to eat. So alternatively, you can dish up straight onto the plate, so we're just going to do another one for our taste tester. We're just going to add our curry veggies just around the rice. There we go, another delicious Thai red curry ready to eat. This is so simple to make at home. Just a few steps, a few simple ingredients, and you have instant Thai green curry for 4. Everyone's favourite part, taste test to see how good this really is. So let's get a bit of broccoli and carrot. Really good. Definitely worth buying that quality coconut milk. Make it really rich and creamy. Delicious. So simple to make. Tastes absolutely amazing. We recommend serving it with Thai jasmine rice, but if you don't have any other rice will do. So there you have it, one easy Thai green curry, super simple to make, absolutely delicious. Do try this at home, tag us on Instagram if you cook it at home. We'd love to see your creations as well. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.